exactly 2 minute खत्म होने के बाद there are some actions that the civil people are supposed to take, जिसमें ऐसा है कि अपने घर में चले जाना, बाहर कोई मूवमेंट नहीं करना एंड ब्लैकआउट कर लेना। बेसिकली वो रात के लिए होता है, बट दिन के लिए भी अभी करना है, पॉसिबल है तो करना पड़ेगा। तो ये अवेयरनेस के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है कि ब्लैकआउट करना, घर के विंडोज वगैरह क्लोज कर लेना एंड देन अपने गैस वगैरह क्लोज कर लेना, ऐसा सब इंस्ट्रक्शंस है उसमें। तो दीज आर एप्लीकेबल फॉर द डीआरडीओ टाउनशिप एंड द कैंटोनमेंट बोर्ड्स। तो यहाँ इट इज ओनली फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ द सिमुलेशन वी आर डूइंग, बट एक्चुअली इन द टाउनशिप दिस इज ऑल वी आर सपोज टू डू। सो आफ्टर 15 minutes there will be air strike. So regarding 4 o'clock air warning also, this information will be shared with everyone through the CP sir's control room that is located at Banjara Hill ICCC Integrated Command and Control Center. So there is a Hyderabad City control room. From there we will receive signal to our zonal control room that such and such a air raid is incoming in this area. So उसके बाद 2 मिनट कंटिन्यू सायरन बजेगा। उसके बाद regarding the impact in Hyderabad city there will be 4 impacts ऐसा डिसाइड किया है। out of the 4 one of the impact is in this tower, so around 4:15 there will be impact on this building. So after that all the departments will be activated, all the fire services, SDRF, medical and health team, everyone will come to the rescue site, police, and they will perform all of their respective roles. So this is a drill that is we have to do. Then medical hospitals we have designated Apollo DRDO as an emergency hospital. Safe Haven is designated in the DRDO township Kendriya Vidyalaya, so that will be Safe Haven. So all the departments in this document, it was yesterday it was shared with everyone. Again we will share it in the group that is created for the mock drill. So you can ask your departmental head if you do not have the document. So all the department roles are mentioned in the detail, which department is supposed to what. So it is clearly mentioned in that document. At 4:30 there will be closure of the mock drill. So again there will be a siren. So as soon as the siren goes on, the mock drill will be closed. So this is a short half-hour mock drill only, 4 to 4:30. So I kindly request all the department to give their due and kindly support the other departments for conducting this mock drill. और अभी मीटिंग होने के बाद we will do one rehearsal kind of thing, so that evening there will be clarity to each and everyone how to do it. So this is I think 3rd floor पे ना, second floor will do the rehearsal now. That from there we will rescue some person, from there we will send some person to hospital, and the non-injured person will be sent to this केंद्रीय विद्यालय सेफ हेवन। So अभी रिहर्सल करेंगे और उसके बाद then again रिहर्सल होने के बाद everyone can disperse and come back at the same at this location only we will assemble around 3 o'clock exactly. थोड़ा लेट मत होना, 3 o'clock we will assemble everyone. All departmental head please take care of all your men and women. उनको प्रॉपरली ब्रीफ कीजिए, आपको कुछ डाउट्स है तो हमको पूछ लीजिए। एंड रिगार्डिंग DRDL, the 7 labs of the DRDO, then BDL and मितानी, आपके लिए इंस्ट्रक्शंस तो ऊपर से आया था कि क्रिटिकल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को कैमोफ्लैज करना है। सो फ्रॉम दैट पर्सपेक्टिव आप भी अपने लैब्स में और आपके जो रिस्पेक्टिव जोन से वहाँ पर आप अपना खुद से भी एक सेटअप ट्राई करेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा सबके लिए। DRDO is a priority in this mock drill, so that is a request from our side. So this is a location chosen by the director of fire services sir, so we have to go by that. तो इसलिए यहाँ पर कंडक्ट